Welcome back, learners. My name is Shubhangi Jepulkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. This session is going to be about understanding vision, mission and value statements for the organization. The first stage in the strategic management process comes about planning, and in this planning, the companies are about to set the vision, mission and value statements for themselves, and also to analyze the external and internal environment to find them fit and to find how many competitors they are going to face in the future. So let's understand this with a short story. I am going to tell you a story about the Geeta Kumari Phogat. You all know the Dangal girl. She had a vision to reach to the place where she will win gold for her country. And in this process, she had many hurdles. She had to prepare herself first, emotionally, physically, psychologically, and achieve the matches level wise, that is state level, means level by level she achieved or won the matches to be eligible to participate in the international match. So friends, what this is all? This is when you have a vision, you have to take certain steps, competing the competitors and facing the obstacles coming in to reach there. This is what all about vision and mission statements. So vision statement will tell you where you want to go, where a company wants to go and why. So the reason of company's very existence is answered by its vision statement. Let's talk about the Tata Group's vision statements. So they say that we want to be a reliable company with a global network and being a responsible value creator for its stakeholders. And they talk about serving the world and creating values for their stakeholders. This is the vision of Tata. Now, to serve this vision, what they will have to do, they will have to undertake certain businesses who are growing in their own industries to serve this whole purpose. Fine. Let's talk about the Facebook. Friends, these are the successful companies in the world. The Facebook's current mission statement is to give people power. Try to understand this. To give people power to build community and bring the world closer. Now, the important factor about the mission statement is it will always talk about three things. Who are its target customers? First. Second, what products or services it is going to serve. And third is, what is its uniqueness? So, these can be seen in the mission statement of this Facebook. Let's see. To give people power. To give, that means to serve. What they are serving? The power to build. What do you build on Facebook? You build contacts, you build your own journals, you build your business contacts and you promote your businesses through Facebook pages. Or even you can express something, whatever you want, through your Facebook page. So that power to express and the power to connect is been given by the Facebook to the customers, and who are its target customers, all the people probably who are using internet, and bring the world closer. So closer together. That means at one platform you are connected to the whole world, and this is how the whole world becomes the customer of the Facebook. So this is the power of creating mission statements. Friends, all these companies are spending lakhs and crores of rupees just to frame these sentences. Why so important? Because they are going to give them the direction, and also they create a sense of winning among the competitors. How? Let's see. if any company says that we are the number one leaders or we are the world leaders in particular industry, that means they are already imbibing through their statement that they are the world leaders, they are the market players, and they are top of what they are, where they serve. Another example, Tesla. See, the Tesla wanted to create something which will be energy efficient, which will be sustainable. So the vision statement of Tesla comes as to create a compelling car of the 21st century which will be sustainable. So compelling car as a product, and it is also talking about the sustainability. So sustainability becomes a uniqueness here for Tesla. Let's talk about Tata's mission statements, and they will always talk about creating the values for their customers. There is also another example of I will like to put is about Indian Army. Friends, Indian Army is not a business organization. Still they have ethos. So you will not find any vision or mission statement, but yes, definitely some ethos which will tell us about what values they are following. So, serving the nation with safety, welfare and honor is the primary objective of the Indian Army, and its primary role is the land warfare. So, after these statements, you will always find the Indian Army talking about vigor, selfless sacrifices, then it is about the spirit de corps, that is a team spirit, non-discriminations, all this talk about, and how they are going to fight with the enemy by creating the high-tech based precision weaponaries. So that will form the part of strategies they have to adopt to be at the best what they have to serve, that is the safety of the nation. Okay, so this is about the vision and mission statements. In the next video, we'll talk about how the strategies work. Thank you.